Welcome to TLH Patterns. This is Pradeepa. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make this very cute little Christmas tree. It is an easy pattern. All you need to know is how to make chains and single crochet. Use whatever yarn you have in hand and a suitable hook. A written instruction for this pattern is available in my blog, The Lazy Hobby Hopper, and a PDF version of this pattern is also available. I will provide the link in the description box below. Make a slip knot and 2 chains. Now into the second chain, that's the second chain, work 4 single crochet stitches. Now always use a stitch marker at the beginning of each round because we are not going to join at the end of each round. So use a stitch marker. Now again work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. So that will be 4 single crochets in this round. That's the first one. I am placing a stitch marker. Now the second stitch, third, and fourth. Next round will be an increasing round. You are going to increase 2 stitches in this round. One single crochet in the first stitch. Place the stitch marker. Two single crochets in the next stitch. So one stitch is increased. Again, one stitch in the next stitch and 2 stitches in the next stitch. You will have 6 stitches in this round. Next round is also an increase round. From this round onwards, you're going to work every increase round in the back loops only. This is the front loop and that's the back loop. So you will be working every increase round into the back loops only. This is an increase round. Work single crochet into the back loops of 2 stitches. That is 1, place the marker, one single crochet in the back loop of next stitch. Then make 2 single crochets in the back loop of next stitch. One stitch is increased. Repeat. One single crochet in next 2 stitches, working into the back loop only. And 2 stitches in the next stitch. You will have 8 stitches in this round. Next round is working even, which means you're not going to make any increase. Instead, you're going to work one single crochet in each stitch around. So you'll have the same number of stitches as the previous round. That's the first stitch. Now make single crochets in each stitch around without any increase. This round will be worked into both the loops. Alright, so the next round will be an increase round. So we will be working only into the back loops. That's my first stitch. I'll place the marker. Single crochet in the next 2 stitches, working into back loops. Then make an increase. That is 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Then again single crochet in 3 stitches and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Every alternate round you're going to increase 2 stitches, and this round will be worked in the back loops. So it doesn't necessarily have to be only the increase round that has to be worked in the back loops. It can either be this or the round where you work even. So any one round should be worked into the back loops alternately. Now I am working even, that is 1 stitch in each stitch around. So next will be an increase round. Continue this way until you reach your desired height. So this is my completed cone. I have finished with 20 stitches. Now make chain 3. Secure this to the front loops that has been left free. Secure it to the first loop with a slip stitch. Now in each loop you are going to work single crochet, chain 6, single crochet. Again in the next loop, single crochet, chain 6, single crochet. In each of these front loop work single crochet, chain 6 and single crochet. Join with a slip stitch to the beginning of the round. Now make another chain 3 and go to the previous round. So secure the yarn in the first loop of the previous round and repeat the same step. In each loop work single crochet, chain 6 and single crochet. Go around working single crochet, chain 6 and single crochet in each front loop stitch. Okay, now this round is completed. Join with the slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 3. You go to the previous round. Join the yarn in the first free loop. And now in this round, instead of chain 6, we are going to make chain 5. So as you progress, as you go up, the number of chains should be decreased. So here you will be working 5 chains, and in the next round 4, then 3, and the topmost round should have 2 chains. So here I am making only 5 chains, single crochet, 5 chains and single crochet in each of the front loop. So go around. You have 4 more rounds. I have reached almost the top. In this round I am working only 3 chains. Now join. Chain 3. This will be the final round. In this round make single crochet, chain 2, single crochet in each of the front loop around. Okay, your cute little Christmas tree is now ready. I hope you enjoyed making this Christmas tree. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye.